Explore this delectable recipe and create a stunning jelly dessert. To start, prepare the gelatin for the creamy layer by stirring gelatin into water and letting it swell. Next, dissolve sugar in boiling water. In a large bowl, combine sour cream, heavy cream, and the sugar syrup, then beat until smooth. Melt the swollen gelatin and blend it into the creamy mixture. Pour this into a mold and refrigerate until set. Once firm, prepare the transparent jelly. Let gelatin swell in water, then combine lemon juice, sugar, and boiling water. Stir in the swollen gelatin and let it cool. Carefully remove the creamy jelly from the mold, cut into segments, and arrange back into the mold with spaces for fresh berries or fruit. Pour the cooled transparent jelly over the setup and re-refrigerate. Once set, serve this beautiful, delicious treat. Check the description for full details.